Hey you guys, I'm here to thank Rissa's Mukbang and ASMR for doing my hashtag Marshmallows challenge, and not only doing the challenge, but winning the challenge. She did 31 marshmallows, and to show my appreciation, the winner is to get a board. And not just any board. I want this board to be special because I want to show my love for you and for the fact that you took time out of your busy schedule and decided to do a challenge that we created. So I'm going to take you through the process of this board, and by the time you guys see this, hopefully she's already gotten hers and did the unboxing, but I'm going to take you through how I created her board step by finished step. And I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget, go over to Rissa Mukbang. She has 3 channels. Like I do, she has 3 channels: Rissa Mukbang ASMR, Life with Rissa, and Rissa's Beauty channel. So y'all go check her out, and yeah, show her some love. And I also gave her something else that I just felt that I just want to show love. And when you want to show love, just show love. And so this is how I show love. This is Made with Love by PromoSTK. Oh yeah, baby.